Brother,
Okay, are you ready to the waterfall?
I'm ready to waterfall.
Okay, let's go.
First, welcome to Lata Kasar, Terengganu. Okay, I think Terengganu is one of the best nature in Malaysia. So from this to the waterfall Lata Papan is around 2.7 kilometer.
Kan makan.
What up? Going to the waterfall. Still going, baby.
Yeah.
The waterfall.
Do it again, I like it.
Get back.
We made it, man.
That was a nice hike.
At first I was a little bit scared. I was like, oh my god, that's gonna be so challenging, but it was more like a healing to me, so.
Definitely healing vibes.
Yeah, finally.
It was so good. So good. Healing vibes for sure.